Hi, I'm here to tell you something important. Life after bankruptcy is not the end of your financial journey. In fact, it's a chance for a fresh start. And yes, you can rebuild your credit. Let's talk about exactly how to do that. Step 1. Check your credit reports. Once your bankruptcy is discharged, get copies of your credit reports from the 3 major bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Make sure that every account included in your bankruptcy is marked as discharged in bankruptcy or close. Incorrect entries can hurt your score, so dispute any errors you find. Step 2. Start budgeting smarter. This is your foundation. Create a monthly budget that covers all your essentials and tracks every dollar. Your goal now is to build trust with lenders, and that starts with making on-time payments on everything: bills, rent, utilities, even subscriptions. Step 3. Get a secured credit card. One of the fastest ways to rebuild your credit is to apply for a secured credit card. You'll put down a refundable deposit, usually $200 to $500, which becomes your credit limit. Use it only for small purchases you can pay off in full every month. This shows lenders you're responsible now. Step 4. Become an authorized user. Ask a trusted family member or friend if they'll add you as an authorized user on their credit card, as long as they have a solid history. You don't even have to use the card. Their good behavior helps build your credit score by association. Step 5. Use credit responsibly and sparingly. Keep your credit utilization low, ideally under 30% of your available limit. So if your secured card has a $500 limit, don't let your balance go over $150. This ratio is a big factor in your credit score. Step 6. Rebuild with installment loans. After a few months of good behavior, consider a credit builder loan or small personal loan from a credit union. Just make sure the lender reports to all 3 credit bureaus. Step 7. Monitor your progress. Use a free service like Credit Karma or Experian Boost to track your credit score monthly. Celebrate the small wins. Even a 20-point jump means you're headed in the right direction. Final thoughts. Rebuilding credit after bankruptcy isn't instant. But with the right steps and consistent habits, many people see real progress within 12 to 18 months. And remember, your credit score doesn't define you. Your decisions do. If you need help consolidating debts or creating a custom action plan, visit debtconsolidationcare.com. We're here to help you move forward with confidence.